Stock market live updates. Benchmarks lose early gains. Sensex flat at 78,000 as metal, PSB, pharma sectors decline. Indian equity benchmarks, the BSE Sensex and Nifty 50, have trimmed their opening gains and are currently trading flat on Tuesday. As of 11 a.m., the BSE Sensex was up by 141.82 points, 0.18%, at 78,126.20, while the Nifty 50 had gained 35.50 points, 0.15%, to trade at 23,693.85. Crude oil trading insights. Mohammed Imran of Mirae Asset Sharekhan analyzes market trends. Sanction concerns drive crude oil prices up. Oil market fundamentals have turned bullish amid growing fears of stricter sanctions on Iran and Venezuela by the White House. On Monday, crude oil and gasoline prices saw moderate gains, with crude hitting a 3-week high. This surge follows former President Donald Trump's announcement of a 25% secondary tariff on nations purchasing oil or gas from Venezuela, effective April 2nd. WTI crude has rebounded by 5% over the past 2 weeks, rising from its March 10th low of 66.03 to settle at $69 on Monday. U.S. tightening sanctions. The U.S. is ramping up pressure to curb Iran's oil exports, potentially removing 1.5 million barrels per day MBPD from the global market. Despite this, Iran managed to export between 1.7 and 1.8 MBPD in February. Trump recently sent a letter to Iran's supreme leader, Ali Khamenei, setting a 2-month deadline for renegotiating a nuclear deal. Stock market live updates. Financial stocks show mixed trends amid RBI's revised PSL norms. Nifty Bank crosses 52,000. Following the Reserve Bank of India's RBI announcement of revised priority sector lending, PSL, norms on Monday, financial stocks exhibited mixed trends on Tuesday, March 25, 2025. The Nifty Bank Index surpassed the 52,000 mark during intraday trading, peaking at 52,058.55, up 0.68%. At 10 a.m., indices such as Nifty Private Bank, Nifty PSU Bank, and Nifty Financial Services were trading higher by 0.25% to 0.84%. Meanwhile, the Nifty 50 index climbed 200 points, 0.85% to 23,855. Top gainers: HDFC Bank up 2.26%, AU Small Finance Bank up 0.7%, Kotak Mahindra Bank and Axis Bank up 0.68% each, Bajaj Finserv up 2.45%, SBI Card up 2%, Bajaj Finance up 0.6%. Cholamandalam Investment and Finance up 0.44%. Profit booking, stocks such as Shriram Finance, LIC Housing Finance, Muthoot Finance, Power Finance Corporation, PFC, and RSC saw some selling pressure. As per the revised PSL guidelines, housing loans up to Rs 50 lakh in cities with populations exceeding 5 million can now be classified under priority sector lending, provided the dwelling unit costs no more than Rs 63 lakh. Stock market live updates. Trump's 25% tariff on Venezuelan oil, potential impact on India. Former U.S. President Donald Trump announced on Monday a 25% tariff on countries purchasing oil and gas from Venezuela. This decision is expected to have significant consequences for Asian economies, particularly India and China, while also increasing global trade uncertainties. Venezuela has been openly hostile to the United States and our democratic values, Trump stated on his Truth Social platform. Any country purchasing Venezuelan oil or gas will now be subject to a 25% tariff on any trade conducted with the U.S. The order, signed on Monday, is set to take effect on April 2nd and will apply broadly to both direct and indirect buyers of Venezuelan crude. The tariff will remain in effect for 1 year from the last instance of Venezuelan oil imports by any affected country unless lifted earlier by the U.S. Stock market live updates. ATC Energy's IPO opens today. Key details. The initial public offering, IPO, of lithium-ion battery manufacturer ATC Energy System opens for subscription today, March 25, 2025. The company aims to raise Rs 63.76 crore through this offering. The SME IPO includes 54,003,600 equity shares, comprising a fresh issue of 43,023,600 shares and an offer for sale, OFS, of 10,080,000 shares. IPO price band and lot size. Price band, Rs 112, 118 per share. Lot size, 1,200 shares. Minimum investment for retail investors, Rs 1, 30,400, 1 lot. Minimum investment for HNIs, Rs 2, 83,200, 2 lots. Important dates. Subscription closes Thursday, March 27th, 2025. Basis of allotment finalization, Friday, March 28th, 2025. Expected listing on NSE, Emerge, Wednesday, April 2nd, 2025, as per the company's red herring prospectus, RHP.